Hi everybody, welcome to Foundy TV. I am so glad you're here. So today I am going to show you how to hide your subscribers count on your YouTube channel in 2020. This is going to be a very short and spicy video. The steps are real simple and easy. This can be done in about a minute or two. I ain't joking, y'all. So persons have various reasons why they want to hide their subscribers count. It's up to you. I ain't judging anybody. All right, so let's jump right into the video. So the first thing that you should do, you should be on your YouTube channel. All right, then you're gonna select your YouTube pic or icon that should be on the top right hand corner. All right, then you're gonna go ahead and select YouTube Studio. Alright, so the next thing you're going to do, you're going to go ahead and select setting. That should be on the left. Alright, you should be seeing the screen right here. Go ahead and select channel. Then you're going to select advanced setting. Then you're going to go ahead and scroll down. Alright, this is what we need. Alright, so display the number of people subscribed to your channel. If you realize this box is ticked, so right now viewers will see the amount of persons that are subscribed to my channel. If I don't want that, I'm going to go ahead and untick that box and select save, and yeah, setting save. So it is that easy, y'all. Alright, so if you find this video very helpful, please go ahead and smash the subscribe button. Sorry, go ahead and smash that subscribe button and give it a thumbs up. Alright.